Good morning, class. It's mathematics time. All right, in math lesson for today, we are going to measure and describe the length and height of the objects. Okay, so at the end of the lesson, I want you to measure and record the length and height of the objects. Okay, then we're going to compare and describe the length and height of the objects. All right, are you ready? But before that, okay, I want you to remember, okay, these are the words that you are going to remember. But in measuring length, you must remember these words: long, short, longer, shorter. In height, you must remember tall, short, taller, shorter. Okay, but in measuring the length, you must measure from the left to the right. Okay, then the height, you must measure from down going up. Okay, now, but remember, in measuring the hair, you will say, how long is your hair? Even if it is from down going up direction when you measure your hair. You will not say, how tall is your hair? Alright? How you will say it? How long is your hair? Say it again. How long is your hair? All right, very good, amazing, boys and girls. Okay, so in measuring the length and height, we are going to use the non-standard units. Right? Did you remember what is non-standard units? All right, I know you are all smart boys and girls. You know what are those non-standard units in measure. We are going to revise. All right. So what do you mean by non-standard units? Okay, so here, non-standard units of length and height can be anything you find to measure objects. So in your home, you can use anything there that you can use to measure. All right. So here are some examples of measuring units that you can use. All right. So I have here the bottle cups, the laundry pegs, the cubes, paper clips, the blocks, pencil, the handspan, okay, the feet or this jar. Okay, so you must remember some rules. Okay, there are some rules in measurement using non-standard units. Okay, so rule number one, the length unit we choose must be the same and not a mixture of different objects. Okay, look at here. These are feet, right? And hands. So this will not be mixed because that's why this is a big wrong. So when you measure the length, you must use the same units measurement. Okay, this is correct. Okay, do you understand? Very good, well done. All right, number two. So rule number two, the length unit we choose must be the same size. Okay, here we are using the same, we're using the feet. But why this one is wrong? All right, you are correct. Because this one is small, and big. So this is wrong. So you must use the same size of the length units. So this is right. Okay, do you understand? Well done, thank you. All right, next, rule number three. The length unit can't have any spaces between each one or each other. Okay, can you look at here? So this is the feet. There is a space between, right? And here, there's another space. So this is wrong. You will not measure this way. You should measure in this way. All right. So when you put this one, put another line here. You measure. Okay, so this is right. Measuring the length of the object. Okay. All right, now let's practice. Okay, now let's measure the length of this bathtub. Okay, now what do you think? How many feet long is this bathtub? So you remember, we are going to measure from left going to the right. Now, who among you can guess how many feet long is this bathtub? Okay, so this bathtub. All right, now can you count? Ready? One, two, three, four. Okay, so after measuring, you are going to write the measurement. Okay, so you have to describe. So the bathtub is about 4 feet long. Okay, so you are going to describe the measurement of this bathtub. Did you get it? All right, well done. Okay, next. Now, how many handspan long is the bathtub? You look at your, this is the bathtub, and what unit measurement we are going to use? We will use the handspan. Now, how many handspan long is this bathtub? What do you think? Okay, so, we are going to count. Ready? One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7. How long is it? And how you will say it in the sentence? Okay, so this bathtub is about 7 hands pans. All right, so you write your answer, record your answer like this. So the bathtub is about 7 hands pans long. Okay, you understand? Now, do you think it will be more handspan than the feet? So here is 7, and remember the first we use the feet is only 4 feet long, and here now becomes 7 handspans long. Okay, you are right. It's more than. Now, why do you think the handspan is more than compared to the feet long? Can you guess the answer? Can you tell me? Very good. So this is more than the feet. Okay, because the handspan is smaller length unit. Very good. So the hand is smaller compared to the feet. All right, very good. So do you understand? Okay, you can compare now, right? Okay, now another. Okay, now can you look at here? So let's measure the height of this door. How many cubes tall is the door? We are going to measure this door using the cube. Okay, you see this one? Now, who can guess how many cubes this door? Okay, so remember, we use the cube to measure, all right? So, all right, let's count. Ready? One, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, how many cubes tall is the door? Can you say it? All right, so the door is about 10 cubes tall. Okay, well done. Now, the same, we are going to measure the door. But what unit of measurement we are going to use? We will use the pencil. Okay, so I have your pencil. What do you think? How many pencils tall is the door? Who can guess the answer? Do you think it will be more or less than the cubes? And why? Let's check your answer. Okay, so yes. All right, now can you look at the door? How many pencils long is the door? Okay, so 2 pencils. All right, now can look at here. So the door is about 2 pencils tall. All right. Now, do you think it is more or less than the cubes? It's less. Very good. And why do you think it's less than the cubes? Okay, all right. Very good. It is less than the cubes because the pencil is longer than the cube. Okay, do you understand? Well done. Very good. So, do you understand what is the difference of length and height? Yes? Thumbs up? Very good. Okay, now this time you are going to do the hands-on activities. Okay, I have here examples of the objects that you can use to measure the different objects in your home. Okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to measure, record, and describe the length and height of different objects. Use non-standard units that are available in your home. After you measure, you record that one, then you are going to take picture and upload in the Teams. All right. Now, look at here. This is the example. Okay. Can you look at here? I have here the chocolate bar. What unit of what non-standard unit I use to measure the chocolate bar? I use the paper clips. Very good. Now, can you count how many paper clips are here? Ready? One, two, three. All right. Now, who among you can describe? Okay, can you tell me? All right, so the chocolate bar is about 3 paper clips long. Okay, do you understand? Very good. Now this time, I have here spaghetti bar. Okay, box. Now, can you look at what non-standard units I use to measure the length of this spaghetti box? Bottle cups. All right. So count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. So after counting, you are going to record and describe. So like this. Okay. Can you look at here? Okay. The spaghetti. Okay. Now next I have here. What, what's this? Yes, it's a glue stick. And what unit measurement I use to measure the length of the glue stick? Yes, I use the laundry peg. So, what is the length of this glue stick? The glue stick is about 1 clothes peg long. Okay, very good. Now, how about this one? Okay, now can you try to count? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, and this is a straw. Okay, this straw is about how many cubes? All right, the straw is about 18 cubes. This is the way how you are going to measure the length. All right. Now this time, we're going to measure the height. Okay. Can you look at the height? All right. So, look at the height of the teddy bear. Okay, so the teddy bear is about how many squares? Really count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the teddy bear is about 5 squares tall. Remember, measuring the height from down going up. Okay, now how about this man? So the man is about how many balls tall? Really count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the man is about 9 balls tall. Okay. So how about this picture? Yes, chair. Yeah. What unit of measurement I use to measure this chair? use the blocks, okay, or the cubes, right? Ready? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Blocks tall. Okay, now, do you understand the lesson? Okay, so one. Bye. See you tomorrow.